Your desk, you got 10, let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, Imani, thank you. Isaac, Omar, we ready? Alright. Sorry about that. We're waiting on 7th grade too. So I don't know how much longer we'll have to wait, but you guys still have your worksheets from yesterday. We went outside. Just to show of hands, who's got yesterday's worksheet? We went outside, we should have some of you turned it in, some didn't. Okay, so we are going to, listen up, we are going to finish the worksheet from yesterday. So I need one person to hand out those who don't have them. The rest of you, get those worksheets out. We'll do two, Francisco and Hector. I don't have enough for everyone, but we want to finish the lesson yesterday. Hector, Francisco, I'm going to pull it up. Thank you. Get those worksheets out. We're doing leisurely walk number 3. Omar, I need you back here. Computer. I know you don't. Help me out. Okay, pencils as well because we need to get started soon. Somebody stole it down there. Alright, I'll give you guys 10 more seconds. Thank you. Okay, 5. Now we're going to do this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Eyes up front. Voices out. Monty's ready. Ronda's ready. And Emilio. Alright. Just to make the point clear from yesterday, I want to make a clear point, kind of how do we plot position. So I do want Marco, I want one person who wants to be the walker today. You're going to be up at the front of the class, so somebody who's confident, who's not going to be embarrassed, and you're going to be walking from this wall to the end of the wall. That's about 10 meters. Okay, so we've got a few people. Let's see, who do I want to choose? I'll let one person do leisurely walk 2, and I'll go with, let's start with Lisbeth first. Lisbeth, if you would walk to that wall, I need a timer. Who can be a timer? Maybe 2 timers. Let's say, okay. Francisco, Emilio, you guys, and Luis, Hector. Lisbeth.
He doesn't want to watch, he just won't.
You don't want to walk? Okay. Stand by the wall, just slightly touch it. Okay, can somebody read for me? Alright, bring it back, bring it back. Can somebody read for me? If you don't have one now, if you don't have one from yesterday, just stay with us for today, and we're just reviewing from yesterday. Since I have you guys for extra time, why not? Now, can somebody read for me leisurely walk number 2? What was leisurely walk 2? What were we supposed to do for that one? Who could read it for me in this class? Who would like to read it? Okay, Luis. And by the way, I'll be giving out points again. I'll open it back up. Wait. Class, 1 second. What do we say when the classmates speak? You show them respect. Alright, so you know, show them Luis respect. Luis, read the second one.
You start at home, walk to the destination, look at view for 15 seconds, walk back home.
Okay, do you guys think you can help her accomplish that now? No?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this one first together. Now it says you start at home. Here's our home, guys. This is our initial starting point. This represents, what symbol represents position? Thank you for doing that, by the way, Luis. Okay, yes, Omar.
X.
Thanks for raising your hand. X. X represents our starting point. So here's our starting point at position 0. X. Okay, now she's going to walk 10 meters, it says, to the ending point. Here's our ending point. This is 10 meters. This room is about 10 meters in length. Now, your job, timer, Amelia, you're going to start. You are going to time Lisbeth and how long it takes her to get here. As soon as she touches this wall, you stop that timer. But what does she do next? What was the second part of that trip, Luis?
You gotta view something. Look at a view.
Oh, she's got to look at a view for 15 seconds. So she's going to stand there awkwardly, looking at a view for 15 seconds, right? You can look around this, Beth, but here you're going to stand 15 seconds. I'll time you. So that would be leg, okay, that's leg 1. This is leg
B.
15 seconds. This is leg 2, correct? Leg 1, leg 2. And then what does she do after that? Who can tell me? What does she do after that? Marco, thank you. Okay, then she walks back. She walks back leisurely. She's not going to run back. She just walks back leisurely to the starting point, which was home, right? So we just want to get her time interval, which we're going to write right here. So I need you, Emilio, I need you focus so we get her time. I'll put in 15 seconds there, and then leg 3, you're timing it. You guys are timing leg 3. Are we ready? We're going to plot her position, her motion. So let's see if we can do it. Emilio, you're going to start her. All right, Francisco, can you take the timer? Okay, so we don't swing it and we're focused so we can start. Are you ready to start it? Are you ready? I'll count down then. 3, 2, 1, and she's walking leisurely. She's moving. She's tiptoeing. Stop it once. No, you start it for the next. Okay, stop. And you got 15 seconds. Look at the view. It's a beautiful view in here, I know. You can look at Mr. Gerbil in the back. He's actually paying attention right now. He's watching this. So, she's got 5 more seconds. 4, be ready. 3, 2, nope, not you. Stay there. 1, okay, go. Now you time it. Here, what was our time?
9:33.
Okay, so 9.
You walked up fast this time.
Okay, so what was her time that time?
6:48.
Wow,
Because she was walking
6.48.
fast. She even
Okay, so 6.5. My smart word's a little off. So, okay, for leg 1, who can tell me how long did it take her to complete leg 1 of the trip? Yes, Marco?
9.3 seconds.
Okay, 9.3 seconds. Thank you. 9.3. Okay, leg 2. How long did it take her to complete leg 2? How about Belter? How long did it take her to complete leg 2 of this trip? Okay, and was she moving during that time? No, she wasn't. We're on leg leisurely walk 2, by the way. We're going to fill in these blanks. So follow with me. Make sure you got the time on that chart. And then leg 3. Leg 3. Vincent, how long did it take her to get back from leg 3? She walks back. She was faster this time.
6.5.
6.5. You can see it. 6.5 seconds. So she definitely walks back faster. 3 legs. Okay, so changing X. What does this represent again? What does X represent again? First off, you can just sound it out.
Position.
It is position. Okay, so change in what?
Position.
Position. So how much did her position change for leg 1 this time? I want to get your answer. How much did her position change for number 1? How much did she change position? Omar, someone want to notice this one? How far was that distance?
I was 3
meters.
10 meters. 10 meters. So what was her change in position? Yes, Luis. It was 10 meters. So right here, you're going to put, Omar, you can do that for me. Smartboard's off today. So you're going to write, what do you think you're going to write there? How much did her position change by? I like the focus I'm seeing. 10 meters. I know we have pictures, but you guys are back in focus. I appreciate that. It is.
Omar, you slack.
Omar, click right here. 1 second. Okay, now pull it. Just pull it. Oh, you know what? It's on the writing. So I'll do it. There we go. 10 meters. Okay, so think about this then. Second leg. Think about Elizabeth. She's over here. Elizabeth, remember you're standing here? And you're observing the view. Did she change her position at all? Or was she still in the same spot?
She was in the same spot.
So what would her change in position be? Louise, thanks for raising your hand. It would be none. It'd be 0. Yep. Not bad. You guys are doing it. Yes, so right here you would put 0. Good. Stay with me today. Stay with me, group. We'll get your groupers back. I'm very sorry your row is not with us, so help us and discuss with us. Last part. Okay, she starts there. She looked at the view 15 seconds, and then she goes back to the beginning. How much did Lisbeth change position by? Lisbeth, you can thank you. Thanks for volunteering. How much did she change it by, Omar? 10 meters. Okay, Marco, how much did she change position by? For that third leg, 10 meters. Jackie, how much did she change position by? 10 meters, thank you. Okay, 10 meters. I'm going to be doing random on this again too. So, 10 meters. Oh my gosh, negative 10 meters. Did anybody say negative?
Yes.
Why? Because she headed back to,
That's like 30 point.
she headed back from where she
Started.
started. So she went back in the negative direction. So how much did she change by? Negative 10, right, Amani? Yes, got it? Okay, next part, T. Why is there nothing filled in for T? What does T represent? Who can tell me what T actually? Yes or no? Okay, it represents time. Doesn't this represent our time too? Okay, what's going to be the difference between that time though and this time? What are we going to see that's different? What's the difference? What is it? This is the one concept, yes, Norman? Okay, they're both in seconds, but look at this. This is the time for leg 1, time for leg 2, time for leg 3. This is the, okay, use that one that you have there. It's the same sheet we're working on, just number 2. Just erase it and refill it in. Oh, you already got it filled in. Ben, stay with us. So, total time. What was the total time of the trip? So what I mean by that is after leg 1, what would the total time have been? If, let's say, you know how Emilio timed her and then Luis timed her? What if I was timing her the entire time? I started it as soon as she walked. Jaden, if you can give points for right now. What if I started timing her as she walked? How much time would have passed by the end of the first leg, you know? Okay, by the end of leg 1? Close. What do you think would have passed on my watch? Would it still be 9.3 seconds? Maybe 10? Think about it.
It depends,
Wouldn't
it
it?
depends on like her, how she walks.
Oh, what did you say?
It depends how she walks. It's gonna cause discussion.
You do the question
When she
again?
walked that way, she was on the slow, and she started walking fast.
So Sabrina, you said,
It depends like on how fast they're supposed to go.
okay, it depends on how fast or how slow she goes. Vincent?
You do the question again?
So the question is this.
I'll leave it at that.
This is the time we got. How long did it take Lisbeth to get there? How long did she stop for? 15 seconds. How long did it take her to get back? Now this represents your time as well, but this is asking what was the total time that passed after each leg. So by leg 1, what was the total time that would have passed? If I started timing her, Emilio would have started timing her. We both started at the same time. Hack. He stops it when she gets there. I don't. But when she gets to the end of that leg, what would her time have what would have passed in time still? Would it be the same, Garrett? 9.3. Thank you, Garrett. It's still going to be the same, 9.3 seconds, because my watch still would have said 9.3 seconds have passed. But now there's going to be a difference, because am I going to put 15 seconds here in leg 2? Because what's the total time that is passed by leg 2? You've got to add them. You got to add what? What to what, Luis?
15 to 9.
Okay, 15 to 9, 15 to 9.3. So what would that be?
Do we waste our data to put that
It'd
in?
be 26.
Yes, yes.
So 24.3.
Should have said that first.
24.3.
Okay, then if you have already got that data, it's just because we didn't get to graph it, so I want you to have a more accurate graph.
I grabbed it. That's long too.
Oh, this is walk 2. This is walk 2. Don't get it confused. Yes.
24.3.
Shh. 3. I like the class discussion. Make sure we're all participating. I'm going to be doing some random calling, so please show some respect to our classmates. Vincent?
24.3.
Okay, 24.3. 15 plus 9.3. How much total time passed? Oh, it's green now. 24.3 seconds. Okay, then we're going to do 24.3 plus another 6.5 because that's how long it's going to get back. That is going to give us,
30.8.
just do 24 plus 6, 30, 35 plus 3, 30.8, not bad. So total time that passed, what was the total time it took her to travel that? Who can tell me? Vincent?
30.8.
You agree, Norma? Yes, she agrees. Can you give Vincent and Norma's team a point, please? So, last part, just so we got it, what is position? X marks the spot. What is the position by the end of leg 1? Here's her starting point. Don't forget, this is 0.
On the phone person.